Ever wondered how to make your pasta noodles taste better? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel the secrets that can transform your everyday pasta into a dish that's worthy of a 5-star restaurant. Step 1. Always choose quality ingredients. The taste of your pasta can only be as good as the ingredients you use. Opt for high-quality pasta, whether it's dried or fresh. When it comes to sauces, fresh tomatoes, quality olive oil, and authentic cheeses can make a world of difference. Step 2. Master the art of salting your pasta water. This might sound trivial, but it's an essential step that many overlook. Pasta absorbs the water it's cooked in, so give it a good flavor base. The water should taste like the sea, a little salty, but not overpowering. Step 3. Don't forget to save some pasta water. This starchy water can be a lifesaver when it comes to adding depth and body to your sauces. Just a ladle or two can help bind the sauce and pasta together beautifully, creating a harmonious dish where every bite is flavorful. Step 4. Always cook your pasta until it's al dente, which means to the tooth in Italian. It should be firm when bitten, not soft or mushy. Al dente pasta not only tastes better, but it also soaks up sauces more effectively. Step 5. Finish cooking your pasta in the sauce. This might seem unconventional, but trust this process. Drain your pasta just before it's fully cooked, then finish cooking it in the sauce. This allows the pasta to absorb the flavor of the sauce, making every strand delicious. Now let's summarize these key points. 1. Always choose quality ingredients. Remember, your dish can only taste as good as the ingredients you use. 2. Don't underestimate the power of properly salted pasta water. It's the first step to infusing your pasta with flavor. 3. Save some pasta water. This starchy liquid can help bind your sauce and pasta together, enhancing the overall taste. 4. Cook your pasta until it's al dente. This ensures that your pasta is firm, flavorful, and ready to absorb your delicious sauce. And 5. Finish cooking your pasta in the sauce. This unconventional trick can make your pasta taste better by allowing it to absorb the sauce's flavor. With these steps in mind, you're well on your way to transforming your pasta dishes. Remember, it's all about quality ingredients, proper cooking techniques, and a little bit of culinary magic. Happy cooking!